The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. I hope you guys all had a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day to all of you fathers. I had a wonderful weekend on my end. Guys, good morning. It is Monday. We are back at it. We are getting a bit of a sell, or at least a pullback. We do have, I don't believe we have any news today. In fact, I'm almost positive we do not. Yeah, we don't. We do have a few Fed speakers. We also have Powell will be testifying tomorrow. That might be interesting. Gold has bounced back nicely, and I think will continue to do so. Just taking a quick look around. Markets are up. I don't know that they stay there. Let's see what we've got going on here, guys. NASDAQ sellers, 700 sellers. That's happened in the last 20 minutes. We've gone from green to red delta. We do have buyers in copper. Last I looked, dollar, was down. $3,200 buyers in gold. We're getting an interesting look here. Crude has sellers. We're down near the bottom on crude. Ugh, I hate this indicator. Your level color, what do you mean? Oh, well, I did what you asked me to do, Pam. I imported the new download. I deleted the old one. And that's what you get when you're a non-tech guy. So when you say they're out of whack, they're not updating or they're wrong. The colors are wrong. I don't know. I mean, I'm not much. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it at this point. I deleted the old one and put the new one in. Going to get a small short in gold down to probably 80. If anybody wants a quick 80.2, 80.3, there's a small short on gold. And then it may continue. Yeah, thank you. I mean, it's, I'm technologically challenged. I'll have you work with me maybe after we close the room. Thank you. For those of you guys that are in Order Flow Group 3, which formally met on Fridays and now meets today, I have sent the link yesterday. Class is today at noon. You should all have the link. If you do not, and there's about first target if you took gold. If anybody took the gold short, there you go. If you don't have the link, send me an email and I'll send it to you when I close the room. In any event, if you folks are here on trial, we have some trials this week. Good morning and welcome to the room. It will probably be a little confusing for you early on, at least Monday, maybe Tuesday. I urge you to be patient, ask questions. This is a multifaceted room. And for those that may not, trials that may not be in, they'll get a copy of this video anyways today. You're going to see several robotic systems. One is the original bot. I have not turned any of them on yet. The other will be our new breakout indicator, which is automated. And then, of course, you're looking at our trend candles, which we introduced last week to the members, or maybe 2 weeks ago, but offered them to the members last week. And of course, order flow trades. So it's a busy room. We're always looking for trades. For my members, these trend candles, which I've been showing for a couple of weeks, I will show through the week, and then they'll disappear. If you guys would like to own them, you can still own them for $5.97. Thereafter, they will be $6.97 after Friday. Let me get rid of Skype. Let me read the disclaimer, and we'll get on with it, fellas. Anybody short gold? Anybody take that gold short? You may get a small bounce here, but I think we continue lower. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to a trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. You guys know I hate this YM. Typical pre-market garbage. I won't let this come back through 45. It's going to be a small stop. If this isn't coming down, it's not coming down. $47's my stops. 15 ticks. That's it. That's all I'm giving it. Gold still coming if anybody is short gold. Hang on 1 second. Back. You can have this. I'm out.
Order filled.
Out. Done. Done. Gold could head down to 76 if you're short. VWAP is what it looks like. <clears throat> 81 half, George. David, I'll be going back to the charts that I've always used. Yep. Order flow's the way to go, for sure. Guys, as Pam has pointed out, my Ludwig levels are wrong. So do not rely on those. I mean, Russell shorted on the bot, but you can see there's no volume in the candles. None. Continuum clears through CQG. Okay. I use Rithmic data, guys. I have had no notice or anything from anybody regarding Rithmic. Dave has had no issues with Continuum regarding his live account. It's taken targets off and or stops, no issue. Yeah, he said correct. Yeah, we're slow. And nor has George. Patrick has not had a problem either with YM. All right, guys, I'm going to turn on the buy close on gold on the breakout indicator. You can see the Russell is in a short on the bot. It's just sitting. I mean, there's no movement here probably until the open. Copper is going. We must be getting a pullback in the dollar. Not really, but copper is bid. Gold is trying to turn back up.
Order filled.
All right, there's gold. There's gold on the breakout. GC's got some work to do. Gold's going to have to get above 76, right where it fired the trade. It's a pivot. If it breaks through 76, it'll go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Welcome to summer trading.
Germany importantly claimed to for an additional 100 billion euros in 2022.
Here comes that 47 area on NASDAQ. Yesterday's close.
Stop fill.
Waste of time pre-market on Monday morning.
Order filled.
German officials say that they will look to comply with the debt brake beginning in 2023 after this additional 2022 borrowing.
Guys, there's not really anything happening here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Again, my Ludwig levels are incorrect. Do not rely on mine. I will have those resolved today with Pam after the close. Got some buyers here. Gonna want to come through 63 quarter. Big offer sitting on them at 67. It's 28 contracts. It's nothing.
Target filled.
On what? Oh, nice. Russell reversed and took a long. ES is getting a bid with volume. Crude, nothing. Almost 2,600 net sellers in crude. We're probably due for a bounce. You came back about 230 and traded. Yeah, probably, Gary. I'm not convinced that we're going to sell off yet. You know, gold is getting popped again, but if you look at the bonds, I don't have ZN on here, but ZB yields are up. I've turned natural gas on to buy the close. Also on crude on the breakout indicator. So on crude, right, we've sold. Again, these levels are incorrect, so pay them no mind. But buy the close. And the same on natural gas, buy the close. Gold, if it gets through 76, will bid. Silver as well will probably like to see gold get back up to 79, even 8. It can go to 84. Guys, as always, I will be taking my breakfast break at 9 a.m., a couple of minutes. It's a rather slow pre-market. I do have my bots on, the ones I trade. Russell took a short, which failed. Switched into a long, which has gotten first target. And now has an open runner.
Officials. Best $51 billion annually in 2022 and 2025.
If gold gets through 76, it can go. A little bit of resistance around 78 again, but I think gold and silver are both looking to pop. Got a nice run around the Russell on the bot. Just let it auto trail. Whenever it reverses, for those of you guys that are on trial, on the robot, the original robot, which is what you're looking at, I basically run very few bots. The Russell, which has this on this Unirenko, probably the highest winning percentage. It's not the most profitable overall because the targets are generally pretty small because it's a fairly small Unirenko. But I run the Russell, I run gold on a 3-minute, I run the NASDAQ on a 3-minute, although I'm using a 15-minute filter, so I don't get many trades. I've deviated from the original settings long ago. And I do run the ES on the 15-minute. I do have a bot on crude, but don't run it often. All right, no bounce in crude. Crude is now open. It's 9. we may get a bounce here. Again, my Ludwig levels are wrong. I imported the new indicator or the updated indicator and clearly did it wrong. Which I'm sure those of you that know me find that hard to believe because I'm such a tech guy. Guys, it's 9 o'clock. I'm going to take my breakfast break. I will be back in about 20 minutes. Go get your coffee, stretch your legs, whatever. Slow pre-market, typical Monday morning. I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm back. We still have a bit. Copper took off. Gold got above 76. Good for a bit. And on the breakout indicator, crude went long. First target is off. Open runner. And the trailer's going. So again, for my trials, there are two automated systems that we're running. The original bot, which is you're seeing on the Russell, we've hit third target. And we have the auto trail going on third target. Or we'll continue to trail until a pullback. The stop is now just above the first target, what was the first target. And on the breakout indicator, crude went long at 71.07. First target is off. Trailing stop is now at 24. Natural gas hasn't fired. Anybody have any questions? We still have about 7.5 minutes, guys. Morning, Jeff. I don't know that gold gets a whole lot more out of this. Let's see here. Gold can get back to 83.3, fellas, if you're long gold. And if CL can break out above 71.50, 51, it's going to keep going. Needs to break out above 51, call it. Morning, James.
Order filled.
And that's awesome. Gold has now gone long on the bot. I'll leave these up until the market open. Yeah, good morning, Isaac. Morning, Greg. Guys, hope you all had a great Father's Day. Fairly slow and dull Monday morning. I'm going to take this Russell trade off. No, I won't. I'm going to move it to second target. Lock in second target. Looks like we're going to get a small pullback on the open in a few minutes. Watch crude on a break of 50. There it goes. 51. I'm going to move that off the screen as well. I turned silver on sell close on the breakout. See if we can get a pullback. Crude is right there, guys. If you're joining late, my Ludwig levels are incorrect. Do not rely on them.
Stop fill.
Out on the Russell on the pullback.
Order filled.
Natural gas on the breakout indicator. Is long. We'll see what we get here. Roland, I don't understand the question. Couple of minutes, fellas. Anybody have any questions pertaining to trading at this point? Anything? NASDAQ looks like we're coming down on the open.
Target filled.
Yeah, man. It's what we do. We're going to come down in the open, fellas. Probably into yesterday's low, I would think. Down to 14,011, 10. I can't, I don't know what I don't understand. Trend bars on the breakout. You have, yeah, you're going to have to turn some of the colors off, but I can't do that now. Guys, I'm going to move these off the screen coming into the open. Crude is locked in, I don't know, 7 to 32 at this point. Yeah, you YM, you dirty rat. Gold on the bot.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. First target is small, 17 ticks. All right, here we go, guys. We're off. We're off. Come on, NASDAQ. Here we go. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. It's a nice trade. 14 stopped us. 14, but I think we go through. Trade them as you see fit. It's a nice trade. We get through 14, we'll get that 22, 23 target, and then free. 14 has to push. Come on, buy them back. They're buying them. They're buying them. Come on. Crack this 14 quarter. If you guys want risk off, feel free. It's a hell of a trade. If we get through this 14 swing, 14 quarter, come on, buy them. Some sellers again. 85 is now support. You scumbag. Come on. Son That's why I give you guys, the option to take risk off. I'm telling you what I'm seeing. 85, we bounced about 7 handles. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you doing? It's coming right back down to where it was, 61. We're holding that 85. Yes, I have nothing. It's flat as a board. It's going to be the same entry.
That's Kaplan. Says
Kaplan speaking.
Kaplan strikes on
I wish they could. I mean, listen, this was a really nice trade. 87 up to 14, 20 some odd handles.
Order filled.
I still have it longs, guys. I don't have it shorts. It's on me not taking risk off, but I give you guys the option to take risk off. YM is going. Come on, NASDAQ. Stop being a chooch. 01 is now kind of a problem. 01 half. We got to get through 01 half. ES is bid. YM is bid. I don't know about Russell. I'm not looking at it. And the NASDAQ just, gave a good trade. That's on me. It's got to get through that 01 half. Another trade with ticks. If you guys want, money, you have ticks. 01 half is the problem, irrespective of. Another nice trade. If you guys want ticks, take them. I mean, this is a great scalpers market, but it's not. Come on, get back up there. 01 half. Let's go. I want to hold that 01 half. I need 06 here to go. That little swing. They got that. Now I need this 14 to go again, and we should go to 42, 43. Trade them as you see fit, guys. NASDAQ is not giving us our usual. I'm going to start scalping them. The heck with holding for targets.
Order filled.
Come on, NASDAQ. Get your keister up to 42. Again, ticks, just it will not bust. If this swing here goes at 14.25, this is going to VWAP. That's a great ad. Got small buy, 160 buyers in this candle, losing some. Come on, let's go. Go get that swing at 7.5. Back up, got by. Come on. Get 7.5. 200 buyers plus. I need this. Here. Again, 800 again. If this 14 busts, we're going to VWAP. Trade them as you see fit. You got another 800 in it. We're through. Fails. Ticks it and fails. Come on. Well, they're not getting me again on this. Come on. 500 buyers in this candle, guys. 3-minute bar. We've got buyers. Something got target, but I'm not watching bots. Should go to 42. See if we can get 39 as target 1. There we go. Come on. $35 is Friday's close, so we're going to have some resistance at 35. They're buying them, though. Come on. Give me the free trade. Give me that 39. Should get it, guys. Should get it. There we go. Now you're free. Utterly free. Everybody good on that one? Everybody good, fellas? Okay. It's free now, fellas. $1,000 runner. Pissed me off twice. All right, hang on one second, guys. I'm a little under the weather. Yeah, they did a blood test, not just a swab. So I did the blood test. I won't know till middle of the week. Doubtful I have COVID, but who knows? I mean, I just had it 3 months ago. Come on, NASDAQ. We got some consolidation here, guys, right? Let's take a look here. We should get to 79. We've got to come obviously up through 68. I mean, all these swings here, but we should get to 78, 79. We have it here, Daryl. We have it here. It's going around. We have buyers, fellas. Take that swing. Come on, baby. Get through 68. Yeah, it's here. Got block buyers here. I'm going to move stop guys to 42, 43. That might be a little tight. Anybody take crude long when I said it's long on the 3 minute? That was at 65. You'd be up 30 ticks if you took crude. Nice job, Jay. Nice job. Come on, let's get out of this consolidation. Let's go up, not down, up. Come on, buy them back. They're buying some, 52 now, selling them. Big offers here at 58 quarter. Buying some back. Delta's decreasing. Come on, go positive delta. Boy, I'd like to see. I would love to see them buy these 2,200 cars back. This thing will motor. There we go. Positive delta, fellas. Come on. There we go. $1,300 runner, guys. Come on. Go get up there. Lower highs on the 3 minute. Lower highs on the 3 minute. 42 should be support. Maybe 41. My stop might be a bit tight here at 43. Kaplan still speaking, fellas. It's the only thing I think holding us back. NASDAQ, if we can get above 85 on a 3 minute. Thank you, John. Yeah, but it's a good trade, but I think we could do better if this goofball wasn't speaking. Careful that blue candle. Come on, buy these back. Let's go. Guys, we should get to 79.80. We should. We're in a new era where inflation is above target. I hadn't noticed. Haven't been to the grocery store in 6 months. There we go. Take this swing here. Come on. 80 next target, 81. We got 79.25. Are you kidding me? Anybody have runners? All right, guys.
Supreme Court ruling in favor of college athletes challenged a limits on education-related compensation.
If gold can get above 80, it's clear to 91. Nice job, Gary. Up over 16 grand.
Tapering debate is open.
Nice job.
Stop film.
All right, guys. I don't even know what's trading where. Yeah, it may come to VWAP. I'll look for another long. We got a blue candle. We could be changing direction. The only way NASDAQ really breaks out is we're going to have to get above 85 or so, and then it can break out. Yeah, that's fine. Still a hell of a trade, fellas. Going to be out on the runner.
Tapering could be put on automatic pilot.
Out on the runner. Kaplan saying infrastructure spending could improve productivity. That's right. Go spend $3 trillion on infrastructure. See gold at 2,000 again. Dollar at 0. Go spend more money.
Stop film. Order filled.
If NASDAQ can break 83.3, if NASDAQ can get above, God dang it, NASDAQ, not NASDAQ, gold. If gold can get above this area in here, 83.3. Oh, NASDAQ just broke out in a 3-minute. Keep talking about spending money.
Kaplan said we can't assume US dollar will stay the world's reserve currency indefinitely.
Kaplan said he can't guarantee that the U.S. dollar will stay the world's currency indefinitely. Maybe we'll go to the denier. It's about where we're going to be. Guys, I have nothing other than, this, yeah, that's right. The yuan.
Kaplan noted we have very complicated monetary policy. This note the massive purchases of liquidity being injected. One side effect is a material effect on financial assets. It encourages more people to go out on the risk curve. Kaplan says there's not great transparency in what's going on with non-bank financials. RSA is not concerned this is going to create undue financial instability. It does worry about this amount of risk taking.
Guys, with Kaplan speaking, it's kind of a quiet market here. He's sending, I would think, the dollar lower. Yeah. Gold should be higher. Copper has benefited. Silver has benefited. ES back above 4,200. We could reject this 02. NASDAQ is actually now longs on the 3-minute. We can try on a pullback a 69 long on the net. Price is currently 79. If it comes back to 69, that would be the entry. I don't know that it does, but
Order submitted.
that's where I like it. 69, maybe 70. Come on, gold. Get off your keister. We should go to 107 if you guys, want to get in and hold. If you guys want to get in here,
Cancel.
it's long on a 3-minute. We've been long on the small time frame 30 range, but it is long. The best stop I have, no one's going to like. 54. Nobody's going to like that. Maybe Chris. But it's going to 107. All right, gold. Come on. Get through that little, what is now orange. Get through 82 half.
Let's say we're in a situation where we could possibly see bubbles develop. So that should be part of the continuing debate.
Come on, Pam, get rid of these levels. They stopped my trades. Come on. There we go. Not quite. Almost, fellas. Almost. Come on. Be a pal. Here's where we're stuck.
Target filled.
We got through that level. There we go, guys.
It's just the RSA is clearly different economic situations.
Give it-
On asset bubbles, the good news is that radar for bubbles is better than it was before the global financial crisis.
You guys good on gold, fellas? Anybody take gold? We're going to 107. Okay, John, that was a hold. I'm at break even up here. If you want to hang on to gold, your real stop needs to be 79. This will probably take me out. It's still a long. I'm just not interested in holding it at 1042. Any questions, guys? NASDAQ now below 2,000 net sellers. We've gone from 3640 to 1998. 107 is your target if you are long NQ. 107. See you tomorrow, Alisar. Nice job, Marco. We can still buy 69.70 on a pullback. Well, I mean, it was a pretty, steep pullback, Todd. And again, it gave us the long back here at 38. Anybody not loving our candles? Oh, nice trade. I think we go to 107. From here, I'd really like a pullback into 70, 69. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, c'est la vie. Gold, I'd like to see get above 86 and go 92. That would be my above this, what was purple. I don't know what it is now, but trade to 92. Now, my stop will probably not allow that. NASDAQ, you're going to see 107. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? 107 is the next level. All right, John. Guys, we're getting long in the tooth on the session. Do I have anybody not making money? Yeah, I know where we're going. We could see 150 area today, but without a pullback on them, I'm a spectator. Is there anybody that did not make money today? I will give you totals at the moment. If you traded as I traded, 1265 up. The breakout indicator, and I haven't taken many trades on it today because I've been focused on the NASDAQ here, is up 1205. And the bot is currently down 960. And I wonder if that might be different if I use the original settings. I don't think so. It does not look like it. Actually, it wouldn't have taken any trades. I mean, that was a pretty big loss with the settings that I'm using. We hit 107. So the bot is down today. The breakout indicator is up again, which is par for the course. And order flow is up nicely.